All right, in this video we're going to talk about how to properly dial in your Edge 2 Plus gun to both the coating and the application we'll be tackling today. So first off, we're going to start with our turbo control at the max setting. We're applying a thicker latex-based product, so we need that full atomization power. If you were applying a thinner, like a stain product, you can turn that turbo control down and your system's going to run cooler and you'll have less overspray. Now when it comes to the gun settings and testing out the first fan pad, we're going to put everything at the midway point. So our fluid flow is going to be at number 4, our air control here is going to be midway up, and our air cap or our fan pattern adjustment is going to be at the midway, which is right where the needle and nozzle are flush with the air cap. Once we've done that, we're going to spray a test pad. So I think we can do a lot better than that. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn our air atomization power up so we get better blending. You can see that's a great finish. Now from there, we can also make the fan pattern go smaller. If you're doing, let's say a spindle or a smaller side of a cabinet door, you can go smaller really quickly. And at the same time, you can also go to a circle pattern by rotating the air cap at a 45-degree angle and turning the fluid flow down just a little bit. You're gonna get a nice circle pattern to hit a spindle. Just like that. Now, let's say you're on the job and you've done the spindles, now it comes to you're doing a big door and you wanna be able to get a bigger fan pattern. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn your fluid control up and you're gonna screw the air cap retaining ring here to the larger position. What that's gonna do is that's gonna increase your fan pattern size. And we're also gonna rotate our air cap so it's a vertical pattern. So you can see the versatility of this gun. In seconds, I went from a small pattern like this to a larger pattern. You can go bigger and you can make this smaller. So this gun is designed to fit every application on your fine finish jobs. All right, now that we got the fan pattern dialed in for the coating we're applying, now let's learn the proper way to apply the product to the substrate. So when we're spraying a substrate, we want to stay even and go with the gun. You don't want to flex your wrist this way or this way because you'll get inconsistent mill builds. Now when it comes to the distance away that you're spraying, that's going to depend on the job that you're taking on for that day. But the big thing with that is always stay consistent so you get an even mill build. Now when it comes to actually spraying the product, you want to spray a pattern and overlap it 50%, as you'll see here. So you see how I'm going to stay perpendicular and drag the gun across. And we're going to overlap 50%. There's a perfect finish. Now that we know how to apply the product, the gun's dialed in, let's take these skills and put it to a piece of woodwork.